Assalamu alaikum everyone. On today in this video, I'm very excited to tell you about the two new pet budgies we've got. I call them PomPom and Spring. PomPom is a nice light blue one with white feathers on his head. And Spring is a nice light green one with yellow feathers on his head. On the 21st of February, my dad got me two new pet budgies for my birthday. As you can see, they're not very good at flying, but they'll get there soon. They love to crawl and play around, and even sometimes they try to get out of the cage, but we won't let them yet. But tomorrow will be their first flight out of the cage. So see you in the next video, but keep watching this one. Have a nice day.